Welcome to Let's Speak. In today's lesson, we'll learn exactly how to introduce yourself in English, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need more confidence, this video will help you speak clearly and sound natural. Let's begin with the most basic part, saying your name and where you're from. Hi, my name is Anna. Hello, I'm Carlos. I'm from Spain. I come from France. I'll give you a tip. Always say your name slowly and clearly. Don't rush it. If your name is difficult to pronounce, you can say, "My name is Carlos, but you can call me Joe." That's a friendly way to help others remember your name. Part 2. Talking about your age is optional, but it's useful in some situations like school or casual introductions. Examples, I'm 28 years old. I'm in my 20s. I'm almost 30. Tip: if you don't want to say your exact age, just say, I'm in my early 20s or I'm in my late 30s. Part 3. Next, tell people what you do. Are you working, studying? Let's look at some examples. If you work, I work as a software developer. I'm a nurse. I work in construction. If you study, I'm a student. I study English at Let's Speak Academy. I'm in college. I study engineering. If you don't work right now, I'm between jobs at the moment. I'm looking for a new opportunity. Next, say where you live now. Examples: I live in New York. I've been living in Chicago for 2 years. I just moved to Miami. Tip: if you're new to a place, say, I recently moved here from Mexico, or I've been here for just a few months. Now let's make the introduction more personal. Talk about your hobbies or what you enjoy doing. Examples: in my free time, I like reading books. I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. I love watching movies. I'm into photography. Tip: don't just list hobbies, use action verbs. For example, I love playing soccer on weekends, or I spend a lot of time learning English. This is a great way to connect with others. Share why you're learning English. Examples: I'm learning English because I want to work in the US. I need English for my job. I want to travel and meet new people. I've always wanted to speak English fluently. Now, let's put everything together in a short introduction. Here's a full example. Hi, my name is Camila. I'm from Spain and I've been living in Orlando for 6 months. I'm 26 years old and I work as a nurse. In my free time, I enjoy dancing and learning English. I'm studying English because I want to improve my career and make new friends around the world. Tip: practice this out loud. Say it slowly. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear and confident. Now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. Hi, my name is. I'm from. I live in. I work as a. I enjoy. I'm learning English because. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Let's Speak. New videos every week to help you master English, one step at a time.